Good day everyone, I am Rabbi Boy C. Gallo from grade 11 Sagittarius 10. Now we are going to discuss about decoding biomolecules, the building blocks of life. Welcome to the fascinating world of biomolecules. This presentation will explore the fundamental components that make up all living things. From the energy we derive from food to the very blueprint of life encoded in our genes, biomolecules play a crucial role. Join us as we unravel the structure, function, and significance of these essential building blocks. What are biomolecules? The four major classes. Biomolecules fall into four major classes: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Each plays a distinct yet interconnected role in the intricate processes that sustain life. So we will explain later uh, classes by classes the carbohydrate, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. So what are the importance of the biomolecules? These molecules are essential for everything from providing structural support to catalyzing biochemical reactions and storing genetic information. Without biomolecules, life as we know it would not exist. The primary elements that constitute biomolecules include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. These elements combine in specific ways to form the diverse structures and functions of biomolecules, or the fueling life. The functions as the primary source of energy for cells. Carbohydrates provide the fuel needed for various activities. Additionally, they serve as structural components in plants, such as cellulose in cell walls. The structures are carbohydrates are built from monosaccharides or simple sugars like glucose and fructose, which can link together to form disaccharides and complex polysaccharides like starch and cellulose. Common examples of carbohydrates include glucose, fructose found in fruits, starch, energy storage in plants, and glycogen or energy storage in animals. These molecules are vital for powering our bodies and the world around us. Now, let's proceed to lipids, or the energy storage and more. Lipids, including triglycerides, fats and oils, phospholipids, and steroids, have diverse structures and functions. Triglycerides serve as long-term energy storage, while phospholipids form from the structural basis of cell membranes. Steroids, like cholesterol, are essential hormone precursors. Saturated fats found in animal products, unsaturated fats found in plant oils, and cholesterol are all examples of lipids vital for various biological processes like insulation and hormone production. Next is proteins, the workhorses of the cell. Proteins are complex molecules made up of amino acids linked together by peptide bonds. Their structures are organized into four levels: the primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. These versatile biomolecules perform a wide array of functions within cells, including catalyzing reactions as enzymes, providing structural support as collagen, transporting molecules like hemoglobin, and defending the body as antibodies. Examples include enzymes, antibodies, hormones, and structural proteins. Now let's proceed to the nucleic acids, or the information carriers. The structure composed of nucleic acids are composed of nucleotides, which consist of a sugar, phosphate group, and nitrogenous base. DNA, or the deoxyribonucleic acid, features a double helix structure, shown in the picture above, while RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is a typical single-stranded. This one, or the right one, is an example of the RNA. Then the functions, our DNA stores the genetic information that determines our traits, and RNA transcribes and translates this information to direct protein synthesis. Example of nucleic acid include DNA, RNA, the mRNA, or the messenger RNA, the tRNA or the transfer RNA, and the rRNA or ribosomal RNA. These molecules are essential for strong, replicating, and expressing genetic informations within cells. One more is enzymes, or the biological catalysts. Enzymes are proteins that act as a biological catalyst, speeding up biochemical reactions within cells. They achieve this through a high degree of specificity, wherein an active site on the enzyme binds to a specific substrate. Factors like temperature, pH, and the presence of inhibitors can significantly affect enzyme activity. These factors play an important role in maintaining optimal enzyme function. Biomolecules and energy. Cellular respiration, or the biomolecules, especially carbohydrates and lipids, are broken down through cellular respiration to release energy. This process transforms glucose into carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. What is ATP? Adenosine triphosphate serves as the primary energy currency of the cell, providing the energy required for various cellular processes. Mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, play a crucial role in energy production. These organelles are responsible for carrying out the final stages of cellular respirations, generating ATP to fuel cellular activities. So, biomolecules in human health and disease, deficiencies and genetic diseases. Deficiencies or imbalances in biomolecules can lead to diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Additionally, genetic mutations affecting proteins or nucleic acids can result in conditions like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. Next is the dietary importance. A balanced diet rich in various biomolecules is crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing deficiencies. Proper intake supports cell function, tissue repair, and energy levels. Understanding the roles of biomolecules in health and disease is essential for developing effective interventions and treatments. Now, for the summary and future directions, we've explored the four major classes of biomolecules, including carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids, and highlighted their vital functions in living organisms. Emerging research is focusing on biomolecule-based therapies and technologies, which hold promise for future advancement in medicine and biotechnology. A deeper understanding of biomolecules is critical for breakthroughs in treating diseases, enhancing agricultural practices, and developing sustainable energy solutions. Thank you so much everyone for listening. Once again, I am Rabbi Boy C. Gallo from grade 11 Sagittarius STEM, and this is my report about biomolecules in General Chemistry 1. Once again, thank you for listening and goodbye.